A lot of murders occurred here unsolved, guys. If you're watching this video, guys, I made it. But do not do stupid stuff like this, guys. I made it. What? He got his hand in his pants. You hear that? It's like, oh. That's all coming from exactly where they want us to go. Yeah, it did. Wait, hold on. That's coming from them people that was over there, yo. Come on, bro. Just seeing what's going on at Ghost Lake. Yo, I can't even see forward.